Cut a length of 18-gauge green cloth-covered Florist wire and apply glue to one end. Attach the yarn about 1 inch from the end and wrap to the top. Wrap back to the starting point and then continue to cover the entire wire. Glue the end. Wrap the yarn back over the glue. Cut enough 3-inch long pieces of yarn to cover the feather. To make cutting easier, wrap the yarn around a 3x3 piece of cardstock. Then snip through the edges. Repeat for the other colors. Starting about 2 inches from the end, tie on one length of yarn. Tie on the other pieces, keeping them tightly spaced. Leave about 2 inches on the end uncovered. Pour liquid starch onto a disposable plate. Soak the feather until it's thoroughly wet. Remove and shake out the excess starch. Place the feather on plastic wrap and shape into a feather. Let it dry. You can mix different colors of yarn and make different sizes of feathers and use them to embellish packages, wreaths, and more.